Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore old nail polishes. This was a request by Liz Ho. I'm sorry that it took quite a long time for me to do this request, and I hope you'd watch this. Okay, so I'm using Caronia's solvent. By the way, this video is not sponsored. One bottle costs 34 pesos and 75 cents. And you'll be needing a perfume dropper like this, or any dropper. You'll be needing this to transfer Caronia solvents into the nail polish bottles. Okay, so first, I'm putting a hole to it so that I can transfer the solvent into the dropper. Now I'm pressing the dropper. And now we have the solvent inside. Make sure that you always close the bottle of solvent. Then I'm adding a few drops. If the nail polish is super thick, then adding a few more drops is a must. Then let's roll or shake the bottle. As you can see, it's slowly mixing well. And ta-da! It's good as new. Then I'll be restoring more nail polishes. You can even restore glitter polishes with Caronia solvent. I'm adding a few more drops because it's still thick in consistency. And there it is. I can use it again for my nail arts. Now I'm swatching a couple of restored nail polishes. And as you can see, the application are so smooth. And here are all of the nail polishes that I've restored. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!